Good morning. I've just sent out an announcement in my newsletter officially launching the Body and Soul Sanctuary. So excited about this membership space that is opening up shortly after the spring equinox coming up soon. And so I'm going to keep the YouTube video short for today, but I am going to include a little Loom video, which will be linked just below this in the description. So please check that out if you want to hear more about the Body and Soul Sanctuary. It's going to be a bridge between the private work I've been doing and this longer term, big picture vision I have of building a regenerative sanctuary on the land where we can do this deep regenerative healing work surrounded by nature, trees, water, creatures, wind, minerals, mountains, rocks. So, what I'll share here on the reflection of this birthing of a new business that's going on is the beauty that is the labor of any creative endeavor. Um, the way that that process can be really sunk into with a kind of pleasure and a kind of vigor and a kind of rigor as well. I didn't plan for that to rhyme, but there is a lot of work in labor, in birthing, in creation, and it's quite a learning about how to surrender and to show up at the same time and be present for the actions that are necessary in order to change a situation into a completely new one. Something that's been inside of the body comes outside of the body. Something that's been in the imagination comes into form. Something that's been in the soul realm comes into embodiment. And it's so powerful. As I was thinking about this, I was listening to the resonance of the word Soma. Soma, which we use a lot, of course, in the field I work in to talk about the body. And often also including the psyche and this understanding of the body-mind connection. And I always add spirit to that because it's so deeply embedded in the whole trifecta. And soma, when I hear that word, I hear the soul and I think soul. I hear the ma and I think either ma like mother or ma like my soul, my mother, mother soul, my mother soul. Um, and there's a beautiful curriculum that's coming through my channel for this membership community space and that follows the natural wheel, that follows the journey that a plant goes through from soil into seed, into sprout, into flower, and into pollination, and back down into the earth again, and starting a cycle anew. And um, there's something so beautiful that reflects in the journey also of a soul and a body and an incarnation and the development of a human life on this planet. So I will leave you with that beautiful little nugget of the parallel journey of a soul and a body and a plant coming up and out into the world and back to the earth again, back to soul space, soil space, soul space. And yeah, may your soma be, may it be enlivened, may it be steady. May it be exactly in your life this week in a way that feels in line with your unfolding path. And if you have yet to develop a relationship with your Soma, may this video be just a little invitation to inspire you to know that it's possible to have a deep friendship and quite possibly the best friendship you'll ever have with this incredible isness that is your soma, that is your body, your mind, in your spirit. Okay, take care until next week.